Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to Guy's Garage. Before I start this video, I would like to suggest that you guys, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. It is my goal to have 450 subscribers by the end of this month. I'm going to try to hit hard this year. We're at like 388 right now, I think. 78 maybe. So yeah, any new subscribers, you're always welcome. But in today's video, we are going to restore the headlights on this Silverado that I have. They're really foggy and yellow, and I don't like it. There will be another Honda video coming up. I just did not have time this weekend. I literally got home last night. It is Sunday today, and I gotta go back to work tonight. So yeah. Anyway, so what I'm doing today is restoring the headlights. I went ahead and picked this up from O'Reilly's, but this shit's like nasty. It looks like cottage cheese coming out. I don't understand. Maybe it's just old. I don't know. But so I had to add some water to it. But I'm actually using my converter that I got from Harbor Freight. But anyways, so this is what I'm dealing with. This is the headlight. Bottom one's not so bad, but this one is pretty yellow. So I already started working on this. I have my tripod set up, but the little Chinese GoPro I had is junk. So I'm recording with the phone from now on. But this is what I got it as now. I had to use a little bit of water. The stuff that I normally use, which is like Black Magic, I'm pretty sure, works way better than this cottage cheese shit. But so yeah, you can already tell the difference. That one's much clearer than that one. But yeah, so pretty much what I'm using is this polisher. It's like a Harbor Freight polisher. Bought it for like 20 bucks. I know that there's other things that you can use that will go on like drills and shit like that, but I didn't have that. I just use this. I've been using this. This is the only thing I've ever used it for. And yeah, it works out pretty good. So I will try to set my phone up so you guys can see, but I'm going to start working on this side. And then, yeah, see how it goes. Well, as you can see, it doesn't work the greatest. I mean, you can see it's a little foggy, a little bit. I mean, if I go over a couple more times, I'm sure it'll work. That stuff, absolutely junk. Maybe it's just old, like I said. The last stuff that I used was like a cream kind of, yeah, like a thick cream. I mean, that stuff's like cauliflower. Look at this shit. So, I don't really know. That was a waste of, I think this shit was like 12 bucks. So, I gotta clean all this off, but anyways, front end looks a lot better than what it did. This is the rest of the truck. So it's clearly spotless. But like I said in the beginning, hit that subscribe button, please. There will be more Civic videos coming, but as of right now, I just don't have the time. I think I'm gonna order the turbo here shortly, and we can start bolting the turbo up and see where we need to drill the hole for the oil pan, which I already kind of know. I already have an idea, but I think that's it. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you guys stay different and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. You guys have a great day.